2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. We're going to reset the service reminder. We're going to go ahead and we're looking right here in the gauge cluster. We're using the steering wheel buttons here. Press over to the right and you can go through these setting modes here. Okay, so it says like 1, 2, 3. You can start off at 1 and go ahead and press and hold down OK. And then you're going to scroll down till you see settings. Press OK. That brings you to the settings menu. And we're going to go down until we see vehicle settings. Now hold OK. And keep going back down on this menu also. And we have scheduled maintenance and then oil maintenance. So if you change the oil, you're going to want to reset it here. It's going to reset this back to 10,000 miles. And if it's telling you scheduled maintenance and you've done your scheduled maintenance, same thing over here. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and support the channel. Hit the like button and leave me a comment if you could.